Hi, today we're going to take a look at using requirements in modules. This is a great way to help lead your students through the module in order if you want to set it up that way, and also to make sure they do all of the things that you want to set as requirements before they're allowed to move on to the next module. So in order to do that, I'm going to be in the module view. So if you're not there, go ahead and click on the modules button. And once you're there, choose the module that you would like to set up. You should already have all of your assignments, pages, quizzes, whatever you want to include should already be in the module before you do this step. So as you can see, I have that done. So I'm going to go up here to my little menu with the three dots, and I'm going to click Edit. And I am going to click down here to add requirements. And I have this set up so I'm going to click both of these buttons that are here. Students must complete all the requirements, and students must move through the requirements in sequential order because I want them to move through in the order that I have set them up. So all I'm going to do now is go ahead and add each of the things, and I have put my screen over here so that I can still see the module over here on the left. So the first thing is a sample page. This is just a page. So when you've got a page, there are really kind of two options that you might want to set up. One is you can just have them view the page, and once they've clicked on it and opened it, it will allow them to move on to the next one. The other option is to mark as done. I like to use this option, so I'm going to choose that. When you do that, it gives them a button in the top right corner. So once they've read the page or interacted with the page, then it allows them to click the Mark as Done button in the top right corner, and then they can move on. So next I'm going to add my sample assignment 1. And this is an assignment, so I don't want them to just view it. In this case, I want them to submit it. You can choose to have them score at least and give them a percentage, but then they're stuck there until you grade it. So I'm just going to have them submit and allow them to move on. And then I'm going to do the same for sample assignment number 2. I'm going to have them submit. And then I have a quiz. So at this point, if you wanted to stop them, you could have them score at least. And maybe I need them to score at least an 80 before I want them to move on. But you can set that up however you want. You can just have them submit it as well. And then next I have a discussion board. And so in this case, I don't want them to just view, I want them to contribute to the page. So they have to type a response, and then they'll be able to move on. And then I have a second discussion board set up here. So they're going to contribute to that as well. And then I have 2 more sample pages that I have set up. So I'm going to mark those as done. And then I can update. And now what you're going to see is that I've set it up as complete all items. And then if you look under each one of the items, you can see what they have to do. So this one they have to mark as done, submit, score at least an 80, contribute, and then these last 2 are marked as done. So this is a really great way to help guide students in your logical order that you have set up your module, and kind of keep them on track and keep them from kind of bouncing around to different things where they might get confused.